everyone, we have prepared latest market updates for December 5th, 2022. Vodafone CEO resigns after 4 years on the job. Nick Reed will step down as head of Vodafone before the end of the year and will be replaced on an interim basis by the company's CFO and in a 4-year tenure marked by an almost twofold drop in the company's stock price. Reed led the former mobile telecom market leader through a pandemic and sold assets to focus on Europe and Africa while snipping off the tower infrastructure business into a separate division. Despite the change, Vodafone's shares remain down. They have fallen more than 40% since Reed took over the company in October 2018 and are trading at the same level as they were 2 decades ago. Just last month, Vodafone cut its full-year outlook, citing soaring electricity prices and deteriorating performance in key European markets Germany, Italy, and Spain. On an interim basis, Reed will be succeeded by Margherita Della Valle, who is tasked with accelerating the company's strategy to improve operating performance and shareholder value. The company shares rose 1.6% in early trading. G7 imposes a cap on Russian oil prices. A group of 7 price cap on Russian oil produced by C went into effect Monday as the West tries to limit Moscow's ability to finance its war in Ukraine. But Russia said it will not submit to the measure, even if it has to cut production. The price cap, to be imposed by the G7 countries, the European Union, and Australia, complements the EU embargo on Russian oil imports by sea and similar promises by the United States, Canada, Japan, and Britain. It allows Russian oil to be shipped to third countries using G7 and EU tankers, insurance companies, and credit institutions only if the cargo is bought at or below the cap. Russia said Sunday that it would not accept the ceiling price and would not sell the oil it covers even if it had to cut production. A source said a decree prohibiting Russian companies and traders from interacting with countries and companies subject to the cap was being prepared. Nevertheless, since the price cap is set at $60 a barrel, not much lower than the $67 at which it closed on Friday, the EU and G7 countries expect Russia to still have an incentive to continue selling oil at that price while accepting a lower profit. Genesis owes Gemini's customers $1 billion. Cryptocurrency broker Genesis and its parent company Digital Currency Group (DCG) owe customers of Gemini, a crypto exchange owned by the Winklevoss twins, $900 million, the Financial Times reported Saturday. The company is trying to recover the funds after Genesis was misled by the failure of Sam Bankman-Fried's FTX crypto group last month. Digital Currency Group, the venture capital firm that owns Genesis Trading and manages Grayscale's cryptocurrency assets, owed Genesis's cryptocurrency division $575 million. DCG CEO Barry Silbert told shareholders last month. Gemini, which operates the cryptocurrency product in partnership with Genesis, has now formed a creditor committee to repay the funds from Genesis and parent company DCG, the statement added. CoinDesk reported Sunday that the lender group's negotiating with Genesis account for $1.8 billion, and that number is likely to grow. A second group of Genesis creditors, whose loans also total $900 million, is represented by law firm Pros Conner Rose, the report said.